What if I told you most outdoor pizza ovens can't reach the right temperature? After cooking 100 plus pizzas, we found the 5 best models of 2025, and number 3 cooks a perfect pie in just 90 seconds. Want to know which ones failed? All purchase links are in the description. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Ooni Karu 2 Pro. Best overall. Ooni is one of the leading outdoor pizza oven brands. They make an assortment of pizza oven styles and sizes. This Karu 2 Pro is an upgraded version of our previous best overall pick, the Karu 16, which is no longer sold. It's larger and can accommodate large pizzas, but can still be carried by one person, even though it's cumbersome if you're trying to move it around. It can be used with gas, wood, or charcoal. When testing the previous model, it was one of the easier outdoor pizza ovens to use. The door helps maintain the temperature and size of the flame, while the thermometer is front and center so you can keep track. Users can also download the Ooni app and check the internal temperature via Bluetooth, a feature that the Karu 16 didn't offer. One caveat we observed during lab tests was that the door on the Karu 16 became dirty easily. The Karu 2 Pro, however, is designed with Clearview technology to help prevent buildup on the glass door, according to Ooni. We look forward to confirming this new feature in the lab. Number 2. Solo Stovepipe Prime. Best value. Solo Stove, the brand best known for their smokeless fire pits, that we put to the test and really liked, released a couple of pizza ovens over the years that impressed us in our tests. This Pi Prime is their latest that's powered by gas. It's small and lightweight for an outdoor pizza oven, approximately 30 pounds, and at a lower price point. Its opening is 13 inches wide, so even though it's quite compact, it can still handle 12-inch pies and pans. It turns on by turning the temperature knob and gets hot quickly, though it doesn't include a built-in thermometer. Its size and powerful cooking ability make it great for occasional users. Number 3. Gozney Roccbox Pizza Oven. Best portable. The Roccbox by Gozney was one of the earlier pizza ovens to make its way onto the home pizza making scene. It's stout with foldable legs and it comes with a carrying strap so you can move it around, even though it's a little heavy. It can be used with wood or gas when you connect the included attachment. The heat source is focused in the center back of the oven. The cavity is a bit small, but testers have noted that it helps with heat retention. We've used the Roccbox primarily with wood. In our experience, it takes a little long to heat with the wood and you have to restock it often, but it cooks quickly and pizza gets nice and charred. It comes with a peel and you can buy an additional turning peel, that's smaller, to help you get a more even cook. I've seen many pros use it on the go at parties or in catering situations, and the pizza has always come out delicious. Number 4. Ninja Woodfire Pizza Oven. Best electric. This Ninja outdoor pizza oven is one of the more unique ones on our list. It's electric but still turns out pies that taste like they were cooked over a wood fire. In our tests, it proved to be among the easiest to use, mostly because there's no exposed flame to worry about. Like most other pizza ovens, it takes a while to heat up, a little more than 25 minutes, to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. It cooks pizza as quickly as competitors and our taste testers were pleased with the results. The oven is equipped with several other functions, including roast, broil, bake, smoke, with the use of wood pellets, dehydrate and keep warm. It's the ideal oven for people looking to get their feet wet or are limited to an electric oven in their outdoor space. Number 5. Breeo Live Fire Pizza Oven. Most versatile. Standalone pizza ovens are versatile in terms of what they can cook. This pizza oven attachment adds another layer of versatility by fitting onto the Breeo fire pit, sold separately, that can be used not just around mealtime. It's made of heavy-duty steel, similar to its fire pit counterpart that's designed to last a lifetime. While it comes with a steep price point, testers appreciated the dual value. This attachment makes cooking over a live fire easier than you'd think. The stone gets nice and hot and it features a large clearance to feed the fire. The strong handles on either side make it easy for 2 people to carry. In terms of performance, one tester said it was easy to use after making just one pizza, which she said cooked in about 2 minutes. She and her family used it to make other dishes as well, like veggies. The oven didn't come with instructions, but testers noted they were able to find helpful information online. So which pizza oven has you drooling? Drop a comment right now with your favorite. If this saved you from a disappointing purchase, smash that like button, share with your foodie friends, and subscribe for more mouth-watering reviews. All the best deals? You guessed it, check the description below. Until next time, keep the fire burning.